Scalable. This 1U rack mount PDU is ideal for small rack setups with only a few devices, allowing for plenty of future expansion, and features a 6 feet long cord so you can move your rack around. For the IT professional, this IT-grade rack mount PDU features LED indicators for ground and surge detection, a built-in circuit breaker, surge protection, and meets ANSI, EIA RS-310-D standards. Convenient layout. This rack mount 16-outlet, 120 volts, NEMA 5-15 power strip features a steel chassis, 6 ports on the front, and 10 ports on the back, so you can easily plug devices in and manage cables. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Just installed it and so far so good. Broke out the multimeter and constant power across all outlets. Works well, looks good. Easy to install. The back outlets are handy to power the rack components while the front outlets are spares for test stuff. I got it plugged in at home directly to a 20A 120V home run, direct run to the breaker panel, and this baby has one heck of a thick AC cord. So it looks like it can easily power the stuff on the rack.